friends, in this video we are going to see how to create motion graphic template in After Effects and import Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the After Effects. So now we're in After Effects. Let's create a composition. Click here and rename the comp. So I'm going to name it text. Choose the dimension. So I'm going to choose the preset 9020 and 1080 and frame rate 30 fps. Click OK. So let's switch this workpage to Essential Graphic Panel. So click right arrow and click the Essential Graphic Panel. So now we're in Essential Graphic Panel. So it's called Essential Graphic Panel. So go to text tool and type text here. So text tool, so I'm going to type motion Ruby. Let's align this text in center of the comp. So go to Align Panel and align horizontally and vertically. If you cannot see Align Panel here, so go to Window and enable from here. So let's animate this text. So click this right arrow and add a position property. Click animator and add position. Let's click one more, add and property. So in this time we're going to add opacity. Select this position and Y value set to 100 and opacity set to 0. So expand the rank selector and let's animate the start value. So select the start and click here to generate a keyframe and forward 2 seconds and increase the start value to 100. Select the both keyframe and right click keyframe assistant and make them easy. You can press F shortcut F9. Press spacebar to preview this text. Okay. Select both keyframe and go to graph editor and select this right keyframe and drag to left side, something like this. Let's preview. Now we have animated this text. So now the point is how to import this file into Premiere. So to import this file to Premiere, we need to save this file as a motion graphic. So go to Essential Graphic Panel and select this comp and rename the file. I'm going to name it for lower third. Click OK, enter. So let's add a fill colors. Go to effect and preset, search for fill color. So I'm going to use FX, it's called effect console and from video copilot. Fill. So let's add the property to Essential Graphic Panel. So we're going to add 4 property: color, scale, position and opacity. So let's click here to expand. Go to effect, expand fill and select this color and right click, add property to Essential Graphic Panel. So now it's available Essential Graphic Panel. So the second one we're going to add scale. To press S to bring scale property. Select this scale, right click, add Essential Graphic Panel. Press P to bring position property. Right click, add property to essential graphic panel. Press T to bring opacity. Right click, add property to essential graphic panel. So now we have added the core property. Only you can customize these are core property in Premiere Pro. So let's export this file as a MOGRT. So click export motion graphic template, save OK, and save it name, text, save OK, click browser and choose the file where you want to save this file as a motion graphic. So I'm going to choose here and save OK, click OK. Okay. So now we have saved this file as a motion graphic. So let's jump into the Premiere Pro. So now we are in Premiere Pro. So new project, click new project, rename project name, lower third, click create. Let's change this workpage to essential graphic. Click here and choose essential. So let's upload this this file which we have saved. So click here to upload. Click here. You can see the install motion graphic template. Click here and choose the file. Let's upload. So now we have uploaded successfully this MOGRT template in Premiere Pro. So let's drag into timeline. So you can see we cannot drag into timeline. So why it is happening? So now we don't have a sequence. So now we need to create a sequence. So go to project panel, right click, new item, sequence. So you can choose the preset. There is a lot of preset. So as you can see, I have a custom preset. So I'm going to choose this one. Click OK. Let's drag it to timeline. Keep existing setting. Give some time. Let's press back to preview. So now we have uploaded successfully. So now how can you change the color, position, and scale? So select this clip and go to edit. So you can see edit. So we can change from here scale and color, whatever you want, and set a position. So as you can see, which we have added in After Effects, only those options are available to customize in Premiere. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to stay updated my latest video. Bye bye.